Hi everyone, this is Devins Financial Weekly Stock Analysis and Newsletter. Today is March 13th, 2016. Our newsletter is for your informational purpose only. We're not responsible for your gains and losses. Let's take a look at current market trend and our strategy. US stock market is in the uptrend. Gold and crude oil is in a tradable uptrend. My action, I'm currently long leading stocks, Nasdaq SP 500 ETFs, gold and crude oil related ETFs. For every long position, I have the stop order. Let's take a look at the indices and their charts. German DAX index stayed above 50-day moving average. It had a reversal day on Thursday, but on Friday it went back up again. So looks like German DAX is going up for the short to mid-term. That's good for the global stock. Nasdaq definitely break out from this little range here, and it rebound from the bottom, from the low, and then pull back to 50-day moving average. On Friday it went back up again. So this is a tradable uptrend. You know, this is something we can long, but we have to watch out. The stop would be at the 4600. So if Nasdaq fall below 4600 and related stocks and ETFs need to get out. But for now we can remain long. SP 500 index is a little stronger than Nasdaq. That means the natural resource related sectors are doing much better right now, and it's still also in the uptrend for now. Gold monthly chart, this is a very long-term chart, and gold had been in the mega bull market, very long-term bull market, and then started from 2012, it came down quite a bit, and right now it looks like gold has hit the bottom, is going back up. Let's take a look at the weekly chart of gold. We showed this last week. Gold has break this downtrend line and it's going back up again. And daily chart, we can see gold has been a very strong run up from here, and right now it's just going up along this 10-day moving average. It may close below 10-day moving average, but for this little uptrend, it has never closed below 20-day moving average, which is a purple line here. So we can use 20-day moving average as a stop order, as a stop price for the gold. Silver, also little uptrend here. Gold mining stock ETF. This one actually was leading gold going up. Crude oil is stay above 50-day moving average. So right now crude oil may be in an uptrend. If it pull back, you can buy, but if it just keep going up, there's really no buy point. If it pull back a little bit to 10-day or 20-day moving average, that would be a buyable point. Energy ETF, XLE, this is also in an uptrend. China, Shanghai Stock Exchange Index. This market, China Asian market, may be bottom out. If it can break above 2934, which is close to the 50-day moving average, is 2958. So if it can break above this little range, it will be a buyable. FXI is a 25 big companies. This FXI seems to be leading Asia, and right now this is already demonstrated it's in the uptrend, reverse to the upside and go above 50-day moving average, pull back, hit 50-day moving average, went back up again. So FXI is in a buyable uptrend. IBB is a US biotech, still trying to build a base here. IYR is a US real estate. This is in a very nice uptrend. Jets, this is Airline companies, uptrend. Semiconductor uptrend. This is a nice double bottom, breakout from double bottom and go up. Social media network, social media index ETF, also in the uptrend. Solar is still in the downtrend. Solar sector is quite weak, although right now it's above 50-day moving average. XLF financial ETF, right now it's in the uptrend, pull back near, touch 50-day moving average and went back up again. Financial is leading the market, so the strength in financial sector is good for the overall market. Utility sector ETF XLU, this is in a nice uptrend. Leading IBD leaderboard stocks, actually those are the leader stocks, not all of them are IBD leaderboard. Google is not on IBD leaderboard, but I always keep an eye on this company because it is the most innovative company of current time. Google right now has gone above 50-day moving average. I consider that's a buyable point. Although Google right now is not on the IBD leaderboard. And other stocks on the list are on the IBD leaderboard. And two stocks already, two extended, MTSI, MSCI. And then there are other stocks near the buy point, AT&T and DPZ. This is a pizza stock, pizza company. Well, actually, pizza restaurant. EWELLI, G, and PYPL. This is a PayPal. And these stocks, I bought it. RAI and Ross Store, ROST. And I'm just gonna show you the charts of some of the leading stocks because we don't really have time to show all of them. So the first one I like to show is AT&T. AT&T has a break above the cup handle right here, and then the buy point extended to 38.38. So right now we're right at the place that we're about to get to extended if it continue go up. So AT&T is in the uptrend. And another stock is PayPal. I like to show because PayPal just is a new IPO. It's not a really new IPO. It's just a spin-off from eBay recently. So the buy point is right here, or alternative buy point is here. Break above the highest point. So for here, you can buy right now. And then the next one I like to show is Google. Actually, it's Alphabet. And this is well, you can Google, you can just search why it's called Alphabet. It's under Alphabet, there are many, many companies and very innovative companies, and Google is just one of it. Anyhow, well, I wouldn't say many. Under Alphabet, there are many subsidiary of Google company. Let's put it that way. Anyhow, the stock had made a breakout right here. It has went back up, went up a little bit, but now it made a kind of like a weird shape of a double bottom. Right now, it break above 50-day moving average, which is a red line here. So I bought it at this point. Consider it broke above 50-day moving average. That's a buy point. Although the volume hasn't picked up too much yet, I would anticipate volume will pick up as it continue go back up. If Google fall below $700 per share, that would be a sell. That would be a stop price. MTSI, this is another company. MTSI. Okay. This is way too slow. Okay, and it made a double bottom and breakout right here. So that's a buyable point. What to do in the current market? We can long stock, we can long ETF, but have a stop order. That'll be all for this week. See you next week.